Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use emojis on Discord chat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord app. Now, select your messages option and select your friend. Now, if you want emojis in your Discord chat, you have to click on this emoji icon and select your emojis. That's it. So this is how to use emojis in Discord chat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.